Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade tea cakes from scratch. A tea cake has many different meanings, but in the United States it is a large dense cookie usually made with flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and flavoring, and it is closely associated with the African American community, and it was served to guests for parties. This recipe makes about 12 to 15 cookies, and it is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your tea cakes, and we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need some all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, 1 large egg at room temperature, whole milk at room temperature, vanilla extract, and almond extract. To bake your tea cookies, you will need some parchment paper and an 11 by 17 inch baking pan. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Add 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give this a quick stir. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature and 1 cup of sugar. Mix on high speed for 4 minutes. Now at some point during those 4 minutes, you're going to stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. And you're going to continue to mix that in. Scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed and add 1 egg at room temperature. Mix this for 1 minute or until well combined. Scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of whole milk at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Mix all ingredients on a medium-low speed until well combined. Add your all-purpose flour mixture. Add it all in there all at once. Mix this on a medium-low speed until well combined. And our tea cake batter is now done. Place this into your refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. Lightly butter the bottom of your baking pan. Place a sheet of parchment paper onto your pan and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop a medium-sized amount of the cookie dough and place it onto the palm of your hand. Roll the dough into a ball. You want it to be about that size right there. You're going to take your cookie dough and place it onto your baking pan. Take your hand and press down onto each individual piece of cookie dough slightly. This will ensure even baking. Place into a preheated 350 degree oven. Bake for 25 minutes. Remove your tea cakes out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Let the tea cakes cool completely before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, homemade tea cakes, made by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Look at that. Tea cakes. Gotta love it. Man, the cookie is nice, soft, chewy, has a nice vanilla and a little hint of almond flavor. Absolutely delicious. I could taste the tradition, it's so good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. You are gonna love it. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.